Okay, now we're at conversion of units, um, which is important, and we'll do these. We'll do some of these in class. Here's a 1 mile equals 1,609 meters, or we could say 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers. 1 foot is 0.3048 meters, or it's 30.48 centimeters. Um, or you could even say it's 304.8 millimeters. 1 meter is 39.37 inches. It's 3.281 feet. 1 inch, and this is an important one to remember, and this is the one I use most often because I don't have these others committed to memory, but I can always remember that 1 inch equals 0.0254 meters, 2.54 centimeters, 25.4 millimeters, and that's an exact conversion. It's not an approximation. I think if you were to look up these other, there's some rounding going off on there. But the last one, the exact calculation, that's an important one to remember for doing certain calculations. Um, so convert 15 inches to centimeters. Well, 1 inch, minimize that. Where are those showing up? Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Convert 15 inches to centimeters. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So it's 2.54 centimeters per inch. So 15 inches times 2.5 centimeters per inch. You notice you put the inches in the denominator because you want to cancel it. So 15 times 2.54 is 38.1 centimeters. Okay, the distance between two cities is 100 miles. What is the number of kilometers between the two cities? Is it smaller than 100, or if it's larger than 100? Or is it equal to 100? Well, if I recall, I think it said that 1 mile is 1.609. We can even go back, cheat, and go back and look. So 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers. So 10 miles is 16.09 kilometers. So 100 miles is 160.9 kilometers. So that gives us our answer. What is the number of kilometers between the two cities? It's larger than 100. It's 160. So that is looking into conversions and how you convert and how you can um, estimate. Okay, estimates and order of magnitude. This is really the next section, but it's we'll discuss it here. Orders of magnitude are important because especially if all you've ever used, I mean, if you're really used to using a calculator, we tend to trust the calculator answer. But it's good to have an order of magnitude or an estimate in your mind to know that your answer is reasonable. The reasonableness of your answer is always important to consider. If you are calculating something that your answer would be the weight of a human, and you come up with 5 grams, you're probably wrong because it's more like 100 kilograms. So to have an idea of where you're headed, at least on an order of magnitude basis, is important. So order of magnitude is just looking at the digits. So 0.0086 meters, that's about you're rounding, that's 0.01 meters. Well, that's 10 to the minus 2 meters. So it's an order of magnitude 10 to the minus 2. 0.0021 would round to 0.002. And so that's, we make it 10 to the minus 3. 720 meters, well, we could round that to 1,000, so that's 10 to the 3 meters. So it's just, look, you just want to move it to the closest one. I'm talking about digit 1, 0.001, 0.00, here I said 0.002, it really should be 0.001. That is the closest order of magnitude there is. And 720 would go to 1,000. So those are order of magnitude calculations. Now we're going to stop. We're going to stop there and go on with significant figures, and that'll be our last section for today.